Hi, thanks for watching our video about cooking zucchini frittata. In Iran, this dish is called kuku kadu and is served as an appetizer with Persian lavash or sangak bread. You can support me by watching the entire video and hitting the like button. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button to follow my channel. Once you prepare this delectable and affordable recipe, you'll want to do so again and again.